magega yugusira kumuraibwe kiama gia ODM muske Raila Odinga ni gobono umwana wa Raila Odinga Jr. Nigo aigwali baga yukora familia nyagusira Raila Odinga kurengana neke mira kiabo.
This is a traditional ceremony to symbolically give the son of the departed my brother, the late Raila Amolo Odinga, his son Junior Raila, the seat of power of the home.
Gokwana asoma yigoyi imeya bondo mo seneta bwe county ya Siaya Dr. Oburu Oginga uyo nainde uri mumurumu wa Raila nigo aerera okugania gwoko mwari baga Junior kurengana neke mira kiabo.
The seat of the power of the home, he is now the leader of this home. He must stand firm and lead the home in as per our culture.
Nigo aigwa bene ebimanyiriri byokora familia yu gakubwatirana na mamo mwabo nigo bono Oginga aerera buna murubiri yutubwati bwa matubonde bwensi n'oburayi bwa siasa.
Together with the mom will be there to give him all the advices he needs, but he must stand firm in as per our culture. This is not political leadership, but this is the leadership of the home. The larger Odinga family, which I chair and which I lead, he is still under me.
Moye goywe nigo korekana imeya bondo ase korengana neke mira kiabo magega yomuga Raila gusira.
And he is going to we are going to do the normal rituals which we normally do as per our traditions, and we are going to start because today is the 4th day.
Ase agingerwa na koegwa libaga bene. Kuripoti rege taseni kiage tembe Nchen Sam Yenda
ameamuka ikiwa tunaimba wimbo wa kitamaduni akicheza kuonyesha kwamba ako barubaru.